Jata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the Density Pharma and the pavilion is at the Analytica Anacon. The conference is happening at Geo World Convention Center in Bandra, and we have with us Ramakrishnan S. Sir. He is the Managing Director of Density. Sir, will you please tell us exactly what Density Pharmachem is famous for and who are your famous clients, sir?
Density Pharmachem is a global distribution company. We have thousands and thousands of building blocks and organic chemicals for organic synthesis and analytical needs. Our clients are all major pharma companies and contract research companies and CDMO companies like Aragen, Syngene, Jubilant, Sci-Life. These are our contract research companies. We also supply to all the global pharma companies like Pfizer, Dr. Reddy's, Alembic. These are also our global clients, Lupin. These are all our clients. So we supply organic chemicals in small quantities for their R&D, in bulk for their process R&D and manufacturing. So we have a 11,000 square feet distribution center in our Hyderabad. That is where we are headquartered, and from there we are distributing to all over the world. More than 60% of Density's current sales happen globally, outside India, and we are now increasing our portfolio in India also. So we have analytical reference standards from a global company called Kato. We have sample preparation products from Kanto Chemical Japan for your analytical requirements. And we have other engineering equipment also now coming into our portfolio. We have in Analytica, we launched our new chromatography system, Bikai, from
Yes,
Japan.
that's what exactly I
Yeah.
wanted to ask about. Bikai, yes.
So Bikai is our launch. We unveiled Bikai HPLC chromatography system in Analytica Lab India this time. So this is a globally acclaimed
Can we move
system.
there? So,
So this is a system with superior specifications compared to the ones that are currently available in the market, and it promises performance and reliability and excellent value for our customers in India. So the system is launched here now. It's available. All the details are available on our website. Mr. Jagdish Naidu, our director for the analytical portfolio, heads this business, and we have a very strong service team to back up this portfolio. So the system is now available. N number of comparisons on performance has been done with several competitive models, global models that are available mostly in India, and Bikai exceeds in all these performances, reliability. So we are looking forward to customers who are looking for some value and reliable addition to their portfolio, and Bikai will be available readily. Yeah.
so congratulations, sirs, and wish you all the best.
Thank you.